keeping up with our motto, let learning be a joy and teaching a pleasure. Here we are with a remote teaching and learning process to bridge the gap. Happy learning, students!
Welcome dear students. Standard 5 Subject English Topic Major Dhyan Chand. This lesson is adopted from Major Dhyan Chand, a book written by Sanjay Dudhane, who is a sports writer. Major Dhyan Chand was a great Indian hockey player. He was born on 29th August 1905 at Prayagraj. Prayagraj was earlier known as Allahabad, which is situated in Uttar Pradesh. He died on 3rd December 1979. His full name was Dhyan Singh. He was given nickname by the people the Wizard. Wizard means magician. He also got the award like Padma Bhushan. He also won the Olympic gold medals for our country in the year 1928, 1932 and 1936. In this lesson, we are going to talk about the Olympic Games which held in Berlin, Germany in 1936. Saturday, 15 August 1936. It was the day of the hockey finals during the Olympic events held in Berlin, Germany. Germany had defeated several teams to enter the finals against the Indian team. They were the hosts of Olympics and they were sure of their victory. Perhaps that was the reason why their ruler Hitler had himself come to watch the match. All the day before, it had rained heavily. The entire field had become waterlogged. But 15th August being the last day of the games, it was not possible to postpone the match any further. The Indian team was a little under pressure as they had lost to Germany in the practice match and they were not very comfortable with the wet ground. Waterlogged means extremely wet. Postpone means to delay. As you know, Olympic Games are held every 4 years. After 1928, it was held in 1932, and after 1932, it was held in Germany in the year 1936. About 40,000 people had gathered in the hockey stadium to cheer Germany against India. The Maharaja of Baroda state, the Prince of Bhopal, and a few other Indians also come to support the Indian team. The match started exactly at 11 a.m. The German team had adopted a novel strategy of using the Indian technique of short distance passes against the Indian team itself. They had resorted to a very aggressive play. The Indian team was offering an equally strong resistance. No team could make a goal during the first half hour. During the 32nd minute, Roop Singh scored the first goal, hitting the ball towards the goal post from a difficult angle. In the second half of the match, the Indian team found a firm footing. The entire team played as one and made three more goals against Germany. Two of them were made by captain of the Indian team, Dhyan Chand. However, the German players were also trying their level best to win. They too succeeded in making one goal. Novel means new and different. Resistance means to stop something from happening. Now, only a few last minutes were left. Dhyan Chand had resolved to win. Resolve means to decide something and determine not to change your mind. Dhyan Chand wanted to win this match at any cost without allowing Germany to make any more goals. His spiked shoes were making it difficult for him to run fast on the wet ground. He removed the shoes and the socks and began to run barefoot using his amazing skill of dribbling and his near magical game. He began to send one pass after another to the players in the D. D means defenders or opponents area from where they could make goals. The Indian team scored three more goals. Dhyan Chand could have easily made the goals himself from his own position, but he never played a selfish game. Skillfully, he took the ball away from the German defenders and made it possible for the players in the D to score goals. Students, you must have seen the sports persons who are wearing such kind of spiked shoes as they have to play on the ground. So here also Dhyan Chand was wearing spiked shoes during his game. The German strategy had proved fruitless. A defeat started them in the face. The German goalkeeper pounced on Dhyan Chand and hurt him. But Dhyan Chand was a true soldier. After a little first aid, he immediately returned to the field and held the spectators spellbound with his game. At last, he scored the last goal of the match just as the game drew to a close. The Indian team had won third time in a row. It was a hat trick. Indians were the third time winners of the Olympic gold medal. Fruitless means useless or unproductive. Spellbound means hold the attention of someone though by a magic. Dhyan Chand was playing such a nice game that every spectator in the stadium was spellbound by his game. Everyone was fascinated by his game. At last, Indian team won the Olympic game in 1936. Here you can see the picture of our hockey team. That was a proud moment for all of us. Although Hitler left the stadium before the match was over, he was impressed by Dhyan Chand's game. It is said that German dictator had offered Dhyan Chand a higher salary and rank in the German army if he agreed to play on behalf of Germany. But Dhyan Chand turned down the offer. After the celebrated victory in the Olympics, Hitler awarded a special gold medal to Dhyan Chand. Turned down means denied or rejected. You may be aware that hockey is our national sport. Major Dhyan Chand's birthday, August 29, is celebrated as National Sports Day in India. The famous National Stadium in Delhi is named after the great hero Dhyan Chand. Who knows, perhaps one of you may carry the legacy of Dhyan Chand further and win great glory for our country. Now, let's see some important words meaning of our lesson. Waterlogged, extremely wet, postponed, to delay, dribbling, the skill of moving ball along the ground. As you have seen how hockey players are playing on the ground, they have to dribble the ball. Pounced, to attack somebody by jumping on him. Now, the time for some question and answers. Here are some questions and you have to find out the answers from the lesson. So, see the questions. Name the following. Host of the 1936 Olympic Games. Germany. Ruler of Germany, Hitler. Not comfortable with the wet ground, Indian team. Scored the first goal in the match, that was Rup Singh. So answer is Rup Singh. Next question is did not let the passes go west. Defenders. Captain of the Indian team Dhyan Chand. Next question is pounced on Dhyan Chand and hurt him. Answer German goalkeeper. Third time winners of the Olympic gold medals for hockey. Indian team. So answer is Indian team. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. What do we learn today through this lesson? We learned that we should always make our country proud. I hope that one day you all will make us proud. Students, keep learning new things every day. Enjoy your learning. See you soon.